Do you want to live more serious life, grounded life, and have people take you seriously? Being serious is a state of mind that help you healthier life, that can help you make healthier life, more rational decision. It can also help you grow professionally and better relationship. Keep attention. Entire video I will show you how to be serious like me, and all sort of thing I will share with you. So staying focused, number one rule is staying focused. Um, Whatever you do, focus on there. Nothing care that happening around you. Just focus on your work. If someone call you at that time, you never focus that. Focus on your work and stay focused. You know that if you keep attention in a specific field or in a specific bucket, you will get something from them. Everyone need attention, you know, attention. If you want to get any kind of thing, you need to keep attention there. If you want to make money, you need to focus on make money. Therefore it will come you. Number two is relative, that everything you do has a result. Realize that everything has result that you do. So if you want to do hard work, in that you will get better result instead of your hard work. It's pay you your hard work that you do. It all of thing pay you if you have consistency, if you have patience. you know all of hard work, wrath, price will pay you later. Um, any kind of um, effort, if you do, if you do massive action, like if you control 100 frustration, it's something like that. If you control 100 frustration, you will get something. If you control just 99 frustration, and until that you finish your journey, you quit, maybe you are failure at that time. So therefore patience, consistency is key. Never frustration. If you haven't money, nothing else. If you haven't money, if you try always, you can get something. So number three is reduce the need to multitask. I'm doing that because of I like that. If you don't make thing uh, perfect doing multitask, I recommend you don't do multitask. Like if you um, doing cook, you are doing cooking. Let's say you are doing cooking right now, and as well you want to do like uh, YouTube short video. Like you as well. Here is the you want to make something, and here is the you are doing any type of course, or you are doing phone call, whatever. If you don't um, make this perfectly, you don't do multitask. I recommend that. Tackle your most difficult task first. So many people, even me, uh, I usually choose first of all uh, easy task that easy to do. I recommend you first of all, you can do that is the hard somewhat. You think you seems like you can bring that first to-do list in your to-do list. Like I'm doing like exercise. Here is the my hard part is the push up, and um, I don't what should I call, I don't know. This two thing is the most hard to me, and I usually I have finished that earlier first of exercise. So number four is gone. Number five is stay not here. There is no and there is no anymore blueprint. My video has finished here, and I'm hoping you will get something from this video. My video quality is so bad, I know, so I'm trying to do something. I usually post everyday video. It's either my it's either video is good or not. I doesn't care that. So see you later in the next video. Until that, happy hunting.